Witness the perfect harmony between human skill and mechanical force, a world where creativity and engineering collide. This is a traditional chocolate molding tool. Many small producers still use it today. A 22-pound block of frozen meat is sliced very thin and evenly by a large cutting machine, saving an incredible amount of time and labor. This job requires speed and precision. If you can't place the metal blocks correctly before the machine above activates, it could be dangerous. A production line for wooden spoons. Starting from raw wood logs, they are drilled and shaped into beautifully finished spoons. This man is holding a tool commonly used at car washes. It has an adjustable nozzle that controls the spray width of the liquid. Basically, this is a mold-forming machine for shoes. It shapes the base before the sewing process. This machine creates screw threads with impressive accuracy and precision. This is a small step in a wooden toy factory. They're making tiny wooden pieces with holes to increase creativity when kids play. Don't get it wrong. What you're seeing on screen isn't rain. It's sawdust flying after the wood-cutting machine slices through. This is also a threading machine, but this time it requires more assistance from human hands. It's not too fast, but you can see how precise it is. Sometimes speed doesn't mean perfection. This is the fastest way to make a pipe. By using this machine, it's extremely convenient. In China, snacks are made like this. After coloring the dough, the step shapes it into these little cakes. This is how factory owners smooth out sharp edges and rough surfaces before their products reach consumers. On farms in Southeast Asia, after harvesting bananas, they use this machine to quickly clear leftover banana trunks and leaves. From a heavily rusted steel block to a shiny surface after one round of grinding, the lesson here is never judge others by their appearance. CNC machine works extremely efficiently. It cuts through thick steel bars smoothly and effortlessly. This vacuum cleaner is incredibly powerful, from a visible ink stain to almost nothing left after just one use. A thousand years from now, our descendants will think people of this era were truly intelligent and hardworking to create such things. And this is the final clip. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.